Dr. Chait, Kinetic Rehab and Spine. Welcome to our channel. Click the link below to subscribe, share, and like our videos. Join today, join the movement, gain access to insiders' education on how you become a better you. Welcome to your destination of health and wellness. All the best. Simply Avante. Always forward. So this is trigger point to the vasa lateralis, where it meets up with the IT band. And so what I'm trying to do is break up these adhesions in through here. That's contributing to his knee pain. Oh, do you see that jump? Now, I don't do this in everybody. This is just for my elite athletes, because it's not the most comfortable. Yes, sir, thank you. How's that feeling through here? Not as bad as the other side? So this muscle line actually connects basically up top. So it travels from here, the side of the body, all the way down to the side of your foot. You okay? Now, I know your calves are very tight, so I'm going to do some trigger on your calves. Oh. There it goes. Nice. Now, do me a favor, take a little walk. And now do that single leg squat again on your left leg. Your quad and calf might feel like it's shot, but that was a game changer there. That was significantly better. Percentage-wise.